Greetings, vac fans. I have this rainbow mate, and boy does it ever squeal when you try to use it. So I was informed recently that this may have been used to pick up something wet, like say a spilled soft drink. So let's take this thing apart because it's definitely not usable in this form. Let's go ahead and take this apart and see what we find in here. Now you can see that the brush roll already needs a major cleaning. Okay, so that's kind of a given. I'd like to be able to use this on the stairs. That would be kind of nice. Came out, two came out, that's a good sign. Now let's see, what do we got here? And that's it. All right. So as you can see, definitely going to give this thing a bit of a cleaning. And motor seems generally okay. It's just it's an awful squeak. Got yourself a nice toothed belt, and there doesn't appear to be any damage to that, and it doesn't appear to be sticky in any way, shape, or form. So I'm not sure what would make it squeal so bad. So let's get this cover off. I've got a 1/4-inch socket driver here. See anything else, so this should just be at the top. Oh good, okay, so that's that. Here is, see there's the screws I've taken out so far. Here's a motor, a little bitty motor. I'm not seeing anything weird with the motor. Let's see if we can get a close look at that though. There we go. I wonder what I can do with that, just to verify that thing's working or not, or what's squealing. I'll hook it up. It could just be something with this brush roll that I need to lubricate. And oh yeah, this is difficult to turn. Yep. Now that I have that out, that is not spinning freely at all. So you can see how dirty that is. Yeah, that does not spin freely at all. All right, let's hook up a canister with the hose and see what the motor sounds like without it actually doing any work. Okay, so the motor does appear to spin freely. There is a little bit of a smell in there. I don't mean like a burning pop smell. I mean a little bit like a electrical type of smell. It's not bad, but it is there. So I don't know if I'm going to clean that commutator or not. But the motor is not making that terrible squealing. So this is. This is going to be a really weird way to polish this commutator, but it's about the only angle I think I can get on this. So here we go. Yeah, I think that worked. And it's got a bearing here. I'm going to put some special blue can 3-in-1 oil on, and of course there's a weird bearing over there too. Take care of that as well. Once you take the 2 motor screws out right here, you can now completely remove everything in this bottom of the clamshell. And now I can go and wash these. And I'm obviously going to go ahead and wash this. I think we're all done with the cleanup and lubrication. So let's take a look at this brush roll. I don't think it's perfect, but this is a lot better than what it was. Okay, so how do we get this thing back together again? Can I remember what I did? And this is the 3-in-1 oil that I'm actually talking about right here. It's not the normal, like say, red bottle, for example. Let's see. I guess I can put this piece back on here. Might be nice. So let's see. I guess it goes in this type of orientation. Two more of these hex head screws. Seems to be pretty good. Now I've got to get this guy back on here. Now the top. Regular Phillips. What's special about those? And that looks a lot better than what I started with, to be sure. So let's see if it sounds better. Yep, that is quiet as all get out. Probably makes some noise, but I can't hear it over the E2 Gold. But that thing is just perfectly quiet. No more weird noises. All right, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.